nti abantu bano bazibu gw'onoonyeza omulimu kati amaze akuyisa ebbali agenze wa mukama wamu nga egwenze nsasula ki direct sikukayanyiza nze nkulese bakusasule direct era tugenze mu maaso we are working kati along the way nga he's expecting to get paid ndoza the same week over the same month but all of us teyafuna sente kati towards the end of the kalulu nga abantu byalowoozanga nti bagenda muyamba speaker abani nga bonna bafuuse biza kalulu kakoze eki kagenda kuggwa tewali sente nakomawo ewange bana bantu sibategera ne mugamba wadiringa nani ti ate bonna mbakulira amasimu tebalonda secretary general talonda bla bla ne mugamba no that's not how it happens. President baba gamba wamusaba sente zakuwe agenda kusasula through secretary general gwe sigala ngugende wani ewa secretary general naye bw'anaagaana I will put you back on the list because you worked ontegedde bwe batakusasule nga bwe bagamba nze nja kuzza ku list yange I will pay you because you worked. Fast forward, he kept on going back to the Secretary General until the Secretary General secured 600 million.
So he got 600 million.
Quiet. That is after the campaign. But quietly secured 600. The Secretary General secured his payment. And he got it. And he kept quiet. Now remember, after I finish all those things, even if it is my deal, I go back to the president and I give him accountability. So kakati wali amazo kusasula lukaga ate wano kyamuziza ku list.
The president yagamba atono namuwa.
Kati agamba nti oli mufere atono namuwa because yamusaba directly nti amusasule.
That's why you removed him.
But one of the things people must know about Bebe nze tosa kunzanyira mu mataki. So along the way, before that payment, Gravity had an issue with one of the people abamuguze moto abamubanja.
I remember.
Okay? Nebakwate motoka ye.
The Range Rover.
Nebankubira esimu. Now you wanted me to say this.
Yeah.
Omusajja na Gravity nankubira nemugamba mpa omusajja oyo. Mpa omwami oyo namumpa. Nemugamba no. Mwe motoka ye. Dira sente ze oziteke ku akaunti yange because bwe banaaba tusasudde nja zikwata nzikugireko nzikoleki nzikuwe. Kati there I'm assuming nti nno Secretary General tagenda kusasula nze ngenda okukola ki omusasula because they haven't paid him.
Yes.
So there is 98 million for me to pay that man on behalf of Gravity.
Yes.
That is the only way the man is not going to clamp the car.
Oh yeah.
Yes, Gani, Bebe.
Yeah.
But then all of a sudden, 3 days, sometime I hear a friend of mine tells me, hey, that's good. Come blood. Omusajja ye wamusasudde awo lusongo kumbe ekitegeeza omulinyidde mu budget ye ya silence.
Yes.
And I wouldn't even mind nebadde bamusasudde ki naye teyasasula omuntu w'emmotoka because abamusasula oli yalinga mente Gravity alese sente so that mubuuze egwe wazifunye, but that was selfish.
Very. Yeah.
So bambanga mu commenting ebintu ebisinga mubere very careful. And then also natandika nze ezo nasaba president edduka lyange lyagenda musimanyi biki biri ebye kivubo ntaine edduka nakivubo naye abantu bamaduka nakivubo Prime Minister tanabasasula ya mkyala oba ya mkyala naye abantu Prime Minister tanabasasula ate bali ku list, they are going to be paid, compensated, actually not paid. And the president refused to compensate an individual. he compensates them as a nga bonna bannayuganda abafiirwa ki ebintu byabwe era ne list gyeri ewaani ewa prime minister. Kati nze ebyo byonna tebinnuma tebintawanya because those are very minor issues, but it shows me this guy wangaye bano abantu bakulira wa musende, you come and start claiming things. Omuntu yakufunidde omulimu oba ojjagana ojja omwegayirira ayise mbizibu okukola emirimu era abantu oba okitegeera. You all were reading the hassles I was going through to take media into the campaigns and musicians into the campaigns basobole okukolayo akasente. And that is how someone comes on social media natandika okumanyira natandika okugafa mbu anoonya likes. I mean, these kids are bad. Okuba abaana bano babi, abaana bano be baana bayinza n'okuteera obutwa mu kyayi just olw'obusente. These are kids I was moving with. Obasembeza batandika okulabikako nga ggwe bafuneko ku bintu ku naye again Katonda ayina ekintu kyagamba, and I want you to take this. Sometimes God leaves people the way they are with a purpose. When you help some people, you're actually fighting God. God has created them, He wants them there, but you're fighting Him by helping them.
That's the right.
It is something that I want the country and people to think about. God created someone in a bad situation over and over, but you're insisting. But in that insisting of helping them, you're fighting God's will.
Oh God, I like
I'm telling you, this is honesty.
Yeah.
Okay? So you come out of one nebufayo, bumanyide kumpeo bichikale, fine. Now, we can close that chapter and say that chapter is closed. The question is, onamsasuli. You can look in my face. Because never man netaka kufuna baluwa kuva president government. Yes, I paid him for his work. I access him.
But for him, he claims that what really got you was nti goyagala obanga guwefuga ekive wa president nti yebo yayiteri kyakumanyo kyakunyiza
kakati kankubuuza okwefuga ekive wa president ye yaleeta omulimu bayenzi. Oyinza okungamba nti neme kwefuga mulimu gwena creating. Muleke kubuuza ebibuzo bya kisiru. I don't like stupidity in fans. Kwefuga nga bwe nali njirwanira tewajja nange mu kuginoonya emirimu egyo. Ekyo kyayo njogera essimu yange eriko messages. I'm a humble guy.
Yeah.
It's just like this situation eyabaddewo. I'm just a humble person. Nti ebintu ebimu sibiwabudde. And atenze bwe nsalawo nensirika mba nkigenderedde. Because these kids are bad.
So big size, awe tumuveko loze ensonga ze abafani bazitegedde abadabuuza what will happen with the big size, the child between him and gravity, but you don't hold any bad blood with him.
No. Why?
I like that. For clarity.
One thing that you must know, when we work together on a project, it doesn't mean you're my friend. No. The principle is I don't have to like you to work with you. Lwakwanti era nga banagambye oluzungu sometimes abamu tebalutegeera. Bo balowooza nti we muyimba mwennaawo mugenze ku project mufuuse baki bamukwano. No, it doesn't happen like that. So kitegeeza era mba nkwekengera era bw'okola ensobi nange mpita eno kuba mba nkulabye olwedde gwe gitandise n'ensobi eyo oba kitegeeza. So as simple as that. Naye kati first of all, you've never seen me before the campaigns with these guys.
But nothing because the issue of gravity, you guys had differences before, and you know he was saying a lot of things. The song that you guys had.
No, the song was not good. That's why I didn't like it. It wasn't a good song at all. It's not. I was flying at that time with big songs, so that one was just going to pull me down.
Because what you want to
of course, okumanya nti oluyimba si lulungi osooka ddu recording. Era basically, when you compare that song to the songs that I had at that time, it's only logical for you that wasn't, the project wasn't going the way I Nesindi Nino Luyimba nae in that same studio. Even there's a picture when we were writing. But when the song was mixed, it wasn't good.
That's why you didn't release the song.
That's why I didn't release the song. Just atera katinga wano lwakuba nti no, this is NRG.
Yeah.
Yesobola okukunzijamu ekigambo.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
yeah.
I don't have to. Trust me, for the 35 years I've done work in this music industry, I don't have time for cheap talk. I don't have to. It's not for pride purposes, but you imagine right now I have 3 hours on NRG. I woke up at 6. I had I had a conference. This is one of my companies, and I had to leave. I had to leave. Ngambala 45 minutes okujja okutula ku NRG. Nga wano from 2 mbalako 40 minutes break Jenina. Then Sasha Vibes aninze, we are supposed to make kati nganzira kubana abakyakola videos emiliyoni 2 abakyeyagaza a house. Kids who don't even know that building a personal house, a home, is a liability. So but I still say I understand them. That's why erojja kusanganga sina kikulu, just nzigalawo bugazi kajjako nengamba nkakoze ki nkabula.
Kale, Omanyi, like you said, we are NRG. What the chance to was always for clarity. We have so many young people right now. They have phones. They don't know how to use them. I'm not spreading rumors and all that. HHK in that way, they will never talk about it. Now, I want you to clear for us the issue of Eddie Kenzo, you and him. Because, man, we had so many questions. I myself used to do stories about the two of you. But I was like, one day when I meet Big Size, I want to know, what is it, what are you? Chichi,
no, the issue was simple. Guys, I'm the pioneer artist for the NRM, and I've done campaigns for the NRM for the last 6 campaigns, and I know how things happen. But